today I'm going to show and test this INIU B43 power bank for you. I've tested already a lot of power banks from INIU and they all have been working absolutely phenomenal. On average they had much more power than comparable batteries, and so that's also supposed to be here because we have a very small magnetic power bank and it doesn't only have like 5000 milliamps like comparable models. It has still a whopping 10,000 milliamps and a super strong magnetic hold, and it's supposed to provide up to 20 watts output power. But of course that's just according to the specs, so we want to see if INIU also delivers this time. And so here we have this really nice, small, beautiful, with this very unique power indicator, and in the back we have the magnet, and on top we have the input and output. By the way, USB-A of course is only output and USB-C is input and output. And so let's test first the strong magnet here in the back. Unfortunately I don't have an iPhone, but I have a case for the latest iPhone Pro Max 16, and so you can see the really nice strong hold. Just align it properly here and then it has a super strong hold here. By the way, of course, it doesn't only work for iPhones, works also for every phone with a MagSafe holder. For example, here for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and you can see it does exactly same thing. Almost difficult to remove. The hold is so strong here. And of course, you want to see if it's also charging. Yeah, definitely charging, and it says even fast wireless charging. So again, in the package we get this really beautiful power bank. Here you can see the charge indicator again. When we push we can see 20, 40, 60%. By the way, in the real it's not flickering, it's just a thing of the camera. It's a really nice deep blue. Then we get also this carry pouch and the USB-C to C charging cable and the instructions manual. And so when we attach this good quality charging cable, we can see a lot of compatibility with Apple, Samsung, Quick Charge 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, PD 3.0, PPS, and so on and so on. And so we can use either fixed or PPS as PD triggers up to 12 volts. So I'm increasing the voltage here. Of course, we want to do a quick ramp up test to see the maximum power on USB-C. And so we had a maximum of 12.1 volts at 2.1 amps. If I'm doing the math right, that would be close to 25 watts on USB-C. Here we can also see a lot of compatibility on USB-A. Of course, not PD, that's not possible here, but we see also up to 12 volts. For example, with quick charge. So let's see if we can increase the voltage. And we do the same ramp up test for maximum power test. We can see above 20 watts already. Pretty much exactly same result on USB-A as on USB-C. By the way, maximum charging speed is around 18 watts, depending on the charge, of course. Here when we are using this large, super fancy INIU power bank to charge the smaller power bank, we can see 17.3 watts. And of course we can use this power bank to charge two devices at the same time. It's absolutely no problem. So I have everything here side by side. You can see both phones are charging at the same time from this power bank. And so of course I wanted to also check the capacity of this power bank, because a lot of manufacturers are not really honest when it comes to the numbers. But based on my experience, INIU, that's the most reliable brand when it comes to capacity. And so I fully charged and tested it, took out all the power, and so you can see the result here. Come a little bit closer so you can see on the right side, we can see 8000 milliamps. That's not 10,000 milliamps. So why is that? That's of course because of the lithium ion which is inside. Has only 3.7 volts, and because we are using 5 volts here standard USB power, we have to convert that, and so we have a mathematical loss of around 25%. And usually when we are talking about a good quality transformer built in, we are losing another 10%, so usually 35% loss. That means that we could expect on a very
good quality battery. Average, I would say 6500 milliamps, but we do not only have 6500 milliamps, we have a whopping 8000 milliamps, so that's way above average. And to confirm that they are very honest is that they are writing here in the back that the capacity is 37 watt hours, and here we can see that we had already on the first charge 36.33 watt hours, and that was just the first charge. So after a couple of cycles we can easily expect 37 watt hours, which is exactly what they are saying. So they delivered one more time and confirmed that they are a super reliable brand. So we have really everything what we need. Beautiful, strong, good quality, doesn't get any better than that. So full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.